Bodega Boys.
All right, man. Fucking open here, get these vaccines, bro. Get back in the stew. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
finally.
Man. Yo, that Zoom shit been fun, but for real, we gotta get back in the building, get that excitement, get that energy. Also, yo, shout out to us being popping enough to be able to skip the line, be some of the first people get the vaccine. I feel bad for like the essential workers and shit, but
yo, listen.
Come on, we popping.
Yo, we essential. We popping.
We popping. Like, come
you know
on,
what I'm
bro. Like, what if we died?
You get the vaccine when you popping.
Exactly.
You know
what if we died, and the world would lose all this hip hop, real hip hop knowledge?
Real hip hop.
You got to keep it
all
alive.
the socio-ness, like everything, be like, they would lose it. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Yo, Martinez and Baker.
Yo,
Martinez and Baker.
Why you making it so hot with the government names?
Yo,
It's
Joel
Mero and
Martinez.
Nice.
No. Stupid. Y'all, why y'all always want to come in here talking about, yo, I'm Ray, yo, I'm Murder Black? Like, fuck out of here, nigga. Your name is Clarence, nigga. Fuck out of here. Come in here. Sit down.
Yo,
Daniel.
Miss Univision. Could you just, we're here.
Wow. Excuse me?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Excuse me, you want this vaccine, right?
I'm sorry, Miss.
I know you want this vaccine. Cause I will take this shit back scene. You feel me? You Jamaican, right? I take it back scene. You Jamaican, right? That's good, right? See, I should be the fucking comedian.
That was good.
You know what I'm saying?
You should be.
Yeah, she kind of killing it.
That was like, watch out, because you know what I'm saying? Like, don't let no one from Showtime talk to her.
Right. That's right. I'll be the fucking bodega girl, nigga. Anyway, sit down. Let me tie your arms.
Okay.
Shit. Hold on. Stay still.
Let
me find your vein. Nigga, stay still.
I'm not even
Fuck.
moving.
That's why I'm trying to find your vein. Oh my God. Yo, excuse me. Mero, sit still, please. Jesus. I'm going to say it one more time. Daniel.
I'm not moving. I'm right here. Like, what's up?
I have my certificate from phlebotomy from the University of Phoenix. You going to tell me that you're not moving? I'm an expert phlebotomist. Stay still. Thank you.
I smoked mad sativa before I got here. I'm slobbed.
All right. No, hold on. Okay, hold on. You're going to feel a little pinch.
Okay. Ow! Oof.
There you go. All right, now that's good. Now you got the vaccine. You're welcome, by the way. Because you didn't say thank you at any point. You did not say thank you.
Oh, wait a minute. You didn't even take that out of the fridge. Was that just in your desk? It's supposed to be kept cold.
It is, stupid. I put an ice pack on it. It's in my lunch. I put it with my lunch.
What the?
Just give him. Can I just get my shit? We get the fuck out of here, bro. This shit is like.
Yeah, go ahead.
There's motherfuckers in the lobby coughing and shit.
Like, shit hurt though. My arm, it hurts in the. Oh,
bro. Oh, ew. Damn. Is it supposed to be bleeding like that?
I don't know. It won't stop. Ah, shit.
Oh.
Fuck.
Oh. Anyway. Sit down, Joel. Sit down, stupid. All right, on you, damn, bro. All right, bro.
Is it hot?
You with my people, dude. What the fuck? What? You tired? You look tired.
Oh God. Oh Jesus.
Yo, can we do this, please? Go ahead. Thank you. Yo, relax. I'm gonna do it. Here you go. All right, you're gonna feel a little pinch, and that's it. We done.
Fuck.
Now we done. Perfect. See, that wasn't so hard, right?
Fuck.
Yeah, that was cool. That was cool. Bro. Yo, D, bro, yo, can y'all get out of here? Please, can y'all get out? Can y'all go?
Yeah, I mean, yo, Shorty, can we get some more needles?
What's going on?
Yeah. What's going on with those needles?
What's going on?
Yeah, man.
Side effects of this needle?
Yo, what? There's no fucking side effects. There's no fucking side effects, stupid. I used the needle. I had a needle. I used it, all right? There's a guy be messing with whatever, like...
Can I, get the remnants of the other needles and just, get a to-go cup?
That's fine. It's right there in the little container that has the biohazard on it.
Yo, bro.
Oh, God. Something's wrong with this vaccine. I don't feel...
Bro, can I get, a chaser or something? You got something for, citronella or, vaginitis, anything.
Y'all acting wild. I'm about to call the orderly and get y'all out of here because y'all gotta go. Can y'all go?
Does the orderly know Julio? Because, that would help a lot.
That's my brother.
I mean...
I could call him right now.
That's cool. I mean, if he takes Toppy from dudes, not, from me. I mean, hypothetically speaking.
I know he does this because, he has, a lot of custies. You know what I'm saying? But, we don't talk about that.
I mean, just give him give him a call. I mean,
Yo, just go.
all right.
My God. Yo, why
You
she
know what I mean?
tweaking? Why she tripping like this?
Yo, I mean, why she's bugging out, bro? Like, what the
Bro,
fuck,
like,
bro?
Bro, I don't know, bro.
Bro, why do I want to get, bro? I really want to get on the ferry right now, bro. I don't know why.
Bro,
Why do I
listen,
want to get on the ferry, bro?
There's like an SUV outside waiting for us, but I'm just gonna go around
fuck.
the corner and just see if there's like some cans in the garbage.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Why don't we do that?
I just
bro?
need to get
Let's
like a
jump.
tiger beer. Like, just gotta get right
Bro.
for the daytime, bro.
Bro, you want to
Bro,
go to
look at
Penn
this.
Station and share a beer and jerk off?
Bro, look at this. I grabbed all these used needles when she wasn't looking, bro.
Ah,
For the night.
fucking
Let's
sweet,
fucking
bro.
go,
Yeah.
bro.
Oh,
Things are
fuck
looking
yeah.
up, bro.
Yo,
Yeah, bro.
we're COVID free, bro. Fuck, but my guts hurt. But we don't
That's
got
right.
COVID. Yeah.
No COVID over here, bro.
That's right, asshole.
Bro.
No side
bro,
effects
let's go
at
to-
all, bro.
Bro, let's go. Like, come on, bro. Let's go to the Port Authority bathroom and pass the time. Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it.
Let's go, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm about to nod out.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Bro, let's, yeah, bro. Yeah.
Bro, do the drop.
Drive, bro.
Drop.
Yeah,
Drop.
two,
the
two,
drop,
two.
bro.
229.
229. 229. Bodega Boys, yeah.
Yo, you're still here? Yo, get the fuck out of here. Yo, security. Get these motherfuckers out of here. Do the drop.
Oh shit.
Do the drop.
Do the drop.
Do the drop.
Bro.
Fuck.
All right, we out.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Do the drop.
Yeah, you know the vibes. Episode 229 of your most
Another Oscar award-winning
favorite.
vignette.
You know, they just get better. Every episode before the episode starts, we give you a miniature version of, dare I say it, Fences, Moonlight, La La Land.
Boom.
Okay, you're welcome.
Combo.
You're welcome. Okay, where else you getting this for free, Randy? Where else?
You know what
Huh?
I'm saying? Get a delicious
You know?
spanakopita. I don't even know
That's what we do. All right? Put it in the cornucopia. Yo, shout out to everyone. As always, shout out to Cash App. You know the vibe. Shout out to Showtime. Shout out to Victor. Shout out to Dr. Fauci. Shout out to the guy that blocked Charles Smith. Like, why? Why'd you do that?
Well, you didn't have to do that.
You didn't have to do that. And who else? Shout out to you, the listener. Okay? For listening.
Yeah.
Listen, you made it to
Yeah.
December.
Yeah.
2020.
December of 2020.
If you listen in April, did you think you would make it this far? Did you think you'd make it to the end of April? Shit, did you know?
Did you ever think?
Did you know? This kind of
Did you ever
dark.
think that you would be this sick? Did you?
Yeah, you remember that? But now listen, they just dropped the vaccine. They did it kind of like the PlayStation 5 because they're like, oh, you're not getting it, but it's out there.
They're
So-
like, yo, if you go on the app, you can enter a raffle to get the vaccine. I'm like, yo, what the Wait a minute.
They're like, go on the, at 10 a.m. on Saturday, go on the Vaxxer app, all right? Good luck. I was like,
Niggas like, yo, took an L again. Damn.
yo.
This shit,
They got the
same shit
mouth-
happened with dengue.
nigga got the ventilator on, and he's holding up the phone with the L on it. They're like,
He's
no,
like, yo, damn,
no,
dog.
no,
Again.
too soon. That was terrible. But no, they are giving it out to the most, as they say, the most vulnerable people, older
Yes.
people, healthcare
Like
workers, essential workers.
assisted
Rich
living
people,
facilities?
I don't want to name something. I know some rich people got it already. You know what I'm saying? We all know it. You can kind of tell on TV. You could tell by the way people are moving through their Instagram photos if they got the vaccine already. If you see someone in like Botswana and they was just in fucking Paramus yesterday, you gotta ask the questions. Hey, number one, how did they get out the country? Number two, whatever happened to like that, you gotta wait to get shots to leave the United States to go to the. So they got the shots, and you know what? When they were getting the shots, it was like, you know what? $20 extra. You know, I throw in the. It's like when you get your car washed and they ask if you want the undercarriage polish. That's what they were. They was like, you want a little vaccine extra? You know? It's like when you go to Petco and they're like, do you want to donate money to like rescued animals?
And it's like your change, so you're like,
Yeah.
yes.
They're
You're
like-
like, fuck it, yes.
Fuck it, fine.
Because you feel like a dick if you didn't know. It's like, oh, you don't want to donate 98 cents to a starving dog? All right. I see what kind of person you are.
They caught me the other day because I had to get pet food because I have pets. And so I got on the scooter, went to Petco, and they were like, you want to donate, whatever. I had watched something on the internet about like an abused cat, so I was feeling bad. So I donated like, I think $10, which I was just like, fuck it. Like, not saying that's not a big deal, but $10 could go, that's a little something.
Yeah, that goes far for a cat.
That's not going to break me. Yeah. And the girl was like, yo, she was like, thank you. She was like, I'll be right back. And I was like, what did I do? I was like, oh shit, she's going to give me a cat. Oh shit, I got to run out of here.
No. You just volunteered to foster a cat for $10?
No, they gave me a free tote bag. I was like, oh, wait, so did I just pay $10 for a tote bag? I was like,
well, so wait a minute, you gotta
I was like, wait a minute, y'all sell the tote bag. Y'all sell the tote bag behind the register for $3. Then I'm like, shouldn't I get 3 tote bags? And they're like, no, that's not how charity works, Jesus, at all. Like, just leave. Just leave the store.
You're like, nah, give me 3 tote bags and 2 straps.
Exactly. Give me a handful of cat food to make it even so it rounds out. It was like, no, get out of here. And shout out to all the Petco employees, because you'll go in Petco right now because there's a pandemic. Or a Porsche Panamera, or a Panorama, whatever you want to call it. Depends on your religion, your region.
Pandemic.
But
it's all good.
You go in there, and you just like in and out. You like, yo, boom, cat food, dog food. Let me get what I got to get. Got my N95 mask. I'm trying to get out. Of course, there's like always some sweet old lady in there like, Benji really likes when the food is mixed with the sweet Carolina rice and the rabbit meat. Benji died 3 years ago, but here's some photos of him. I was just wanted to show you. Just see the Petco.
Sorry. All right. Yo, Edna. Mm-hmm. Edna, listen. I'm the guy that wore the anime silk shirt in high school, and this is my job now. I'm the manager here now. I try to leave my past behind, but I'll fuck you up. You know what I'm saying? I was the nerd in high school, and niggas would fuck me up, but now I'm about to fuck you up, Edna. Shout out to Petco, but everybody at Petco got that wild. I'm super duper into anime freshman year high school swag. I love that.
Or the super into animals, like passionately, like a lot of people there. Yeah. Like they're definitely big. I'll jump in front of a car for a cat energy. I'm like,
oh, big.
That's beautiful. You got any more of these cans? No. All right, I'm out.
All right, peace.
Yeah, man.
If you know too much about ferrets, I don't trust you. You know what I'm saying? If you know everything there is to know about fucking ferrets, I'm not.
That was Young Metro's original drop. If you know too much about ferrets, I
don't trust you.
Yeah. And the Future was like, nah, that's not it.
That shit ain't it. That shit's not sensational.
That's not it. If you don't
know, because that whole section of the store smells like ass all the time. The shit they got the ferrets, rabbits, and like gerbils and shit, it smells like ass.
But they have the new Petcos that don't have that. The Petco Unleash. Those are the upscale. You know how you got Taco Bell, you got Taco Bell Cantina?
Yeah.
Unleash is the sexy
You can
Petco.
just walk in with your dog?
The Petco where the animals are naked, bro, and the lights are dim. And
shit.
You get like a lap dance from a puppy, bro. It's some freaking shit, bro.
I'm like,
it's the only Petco. It's the only Petco they sell margaritas, and you can drink while you buy pet food. It's very adult and sexy. You be in there,
niggas the catnip hookah, like
yes.
Yo, this shit is fire, yo.
Niggas is playing mad head candy music in the background, like yeah, bro.
Felix the house cat is DJ.
Yeah, literally. I'm like, that's not Felix the house cat. Like, nah, his name is Felix.
That's a house cat named Felix.
He just live in that house. Like, he's like, the cats are screaming. You're like, what? What? They do
it's like
meow yow yow yowie meow yowie mowie meow yow yow yowie meow yowie meow. I'm like, wow. Yo, them cats is twerking, son.
Yo,
look at that cat
remix.
Oh, wait a minute. That's Jason Derulo.
Oh, shit.
It's a fraud.
Yes, we are saying that for fun. Jason Derulo has been, it's not cross-dressing, I guess cat dressing. Dancing in clubs in Manhattan.
Yo, that sounds very New York. Like, if you told me that, like, yo, there's a dude that goes around every club dressed as a cat, I'd be like, all right. Like, is he like a local like New York celebrity? Like, there's always dudes like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like,
It's no big deal. Like other people find out about it and they read a BuzzFeed article about it, and you're all this time like you actually know him on a first name basis because you've seen him at the house so many times.
How about you
It's
talking
like,
about Dave from the 6th train? That be on the 6th train at rush hour?
Yeah. You see him, you dap him up and shit. You was like, oh shit. Yo, Dave, you remember us, Elvis Guest House? Shit, while he was DJing. Shit was remember?
He's like, yo, D. Yo, I go by Earth Angel now. And
Yeah,
I hold a folder in front of my face.
He's
You
like,
know
yo,
what
I'm a
I'm
real
saying?
estate agent now. I sell property in Bushwick. So like, could you? I'm trying not to like make it hot. So could you not like reference me or tag me? Like use my new actual government name Instagram.
All right.
Okay, it's
Oh,
Paul
so no more
Schwartz
Earth Angel?
Real estate.
No more Earth Angel?
No, we're not using any of that.
So don't tell
Okay.
them about how like you
No.
do the folder in front of your face and how like teenage girls. Don't talk about that.
No, we're moving on from that.
No.
We're moving on from that. Also, by now, by the time this drops, our illustrious interview with Barack Obama should have come out.
Yes.
That's right, the Bodega Boys interviewing presidents. It's a big step for the brand, or is it a big step for presidents? Think about that.
Think
Shout
about
out
that.
to everyone.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to everyone that congratulated us. Shout out to everyone that was in the Instagram comments. Also, shout out to people who, after we posted clearly already finished video, was like, ask him this. As if we have access to a time machine to go back and ask that. And then you have to ask, did you really want that question asked? Or are you just posing on Instagram comments? Chad from Bushwick?
Chad from Bushwick from the 2020 Bushwick, I might add. You know what I'm saying?
Yes. Chad, who lives in a building that will not be around in 15 years, even though it was built last year. Why?
Wow.
Talk to the developers. All right. No, my real estate people is like, tell them Jesus, preach Jesus. Those houses, they're basically, they're made trash. The trash construction. I mean, look at it. It's just pressed wood, bro. It's pressed wood.
It's particle pressed wood and sheetrock. Wow. You hate to see it.
Look at it.
Wow,
Look,
Chad.
they got the. Come on.
That's wild. What about the immigrant family that is now living in the woods in Pennsylvania because you drove the property value up so high that they had to vanish? Woo. What about that, Chad?
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
The way you said it, it sounds different than in my head because you was like they live in the woods, and I'm not thinking like a house at like the Poconos. I'm thinking like they're actually on some Swiss Family Robinson, like they built a tree house.
Like that's literally where they you know remember those commercials? I used to get gas by those commercials. Like as a hood rat, you will get gas by those commercials.
Excuse me, the commercial where they would like live an hour away from Manhattan.
Yeah,
no, nigga, an hour away from Manhattan is New Rochelle. Okay, it's not not the Poconos.
It's not fucking Poconos. Suck my dick.
What are you talking about?
That shit is 2 hours away from New Jersey. Are you stupid?
On your best day by helicopter, it's not an hour.
But you niggas got DeLoreans? You motherfuckers is straight lying.
And you know what? That hits you.
You
see those ads when you're at that point in your life where you're hustling, but you're like, I gotta get my shit together.
Yeah.
Your girl been to too many court cases. You have made too many close calls. You might have
She's
your
like, yo,
first kid.
you need equity, yo. You need to own something.
Someone close to you might have died. You want to get out the game, and you're like, you know what? I don't got enough money to buy a house in New York. But I see this ad for the Poconos. I can get a crib out there. You know what? Maybe me and 3 of my boys, we all give out there so we on the same block. Our kids play together. Nope.
Sir.
Nope. It's an hour away from Manhattan. Don't worry. We're back and forth all the time.
Yeah.
Nope.
Yo, we move up there together, B. We be all right. Yeah, we 40-minute drive away from each other. I'll see you on Call of Duty, my guy.
You're going to be sick when you're closer to Allentown than you are to Manhattan. Explain that. Explain how you kept driving up north, but somehow you ended up to the left of New York. Explain that.
An hour away. This dick. The fuck out of here.
Lies. It's just lies.
Just buy it. How can you blatantly lie like that?
And they had a New York Times article a couple weeks ago about people who, when the pandemic hit and they left New York, like, you know, there were people who were buying actual houses sight unseen, using Street Easy and apps like that. And then now they're finding out, like, they're like, the guy was like, so apparently I have to maintain the boiler. And apparently there's like, I was supposed to get this done in July, and now like the next available appointment is not till January. And I'm like, every homeowner knows that you have to take care of your boiler, though. That's like one of the first things you know as a boy. And then it's just other things like about firewood, and they're just like, I can't get the house to the temperature I used to have it in Astoria. And it's like, because in Astoria, you know what it was? It was like click the dial and the heat went vroom. You know what I'm saying? Now you upstate. It's different.
Yeah, pal.
All right.
Yeah. Now you gotta.
You gotta call the oil company.
That's
you gotta
right.
Get that scheduled delivery. All right. All right. Shout out to all my homeowners out there watching the news, and you hear about the price of a barrel of oil, and you either fist pump or you're like, oh shucks, come on. God damn it.
I'm switching to gas.
Damn it. Ah. All right. And also, let's be realistic.
Shit about a baseboard.
Okay, y'all don't. I remember my parents' house. I was like, you know what? We're getting rid of the oil burner. We're gonna get the gas burner. And look at this. Con Edison will give you a rebate to get the boiler out of this. So it's basically free, baby. It's basically free. After the initial consultation, it probably would have cost almost $60,000 to get the oil burner out of my parents' house. And Con Edison was like,
convert the whole shit.
We'll give you like $900. Like,
yeah,
you'll be good. Yeah. And then it was like, also you gotta take. Also, we'll get it out, but you gotta take care of it after that. Which to other people means calling in an expert to get rid of it. To me means calling my Jamaican uncle, put it on the back of his flatbed truck. I'm going to dump it in the woods of Co-op City. Allegedly. I've never done anything like that. Like,
Allegedly, if you see a dumpster on any block in the hood, that's for everybody.
That's for everybody. That's
a communal dumpster.
These dumpsters are for everybody.
The dumpster belongs to the streets.
Exactly. I can laugh at that now, but when I worked in construction with my uncle, there was nothing worse than you get a dumpster, and then if you didn't fill it that day, it was done. You come back the next day, there's
full of hefty
dressers, there's old couches in there, there might be a baby in there. You're like, what's going on?
Nigga throw a whole mattress and shit, 4 dead dogs, all type of crazy shit. You're like, yo, what the fuck?
People will come throw stuff in the dumpster while you standing right there, look you right in the eye, like, what? Do something. You want to go in there and take it out? I don't think so. You're like, oh, come on.
Yo, and the worst thing in the world, dog, is getting ran down on by a sanitation cop. Like, because they think like they're real cops. I'm like, yo, fam, no, you not. Stop.
Bro, they be flexing. I remember, because my father...
You driving a Prius around.
My father clearly got into it with a sanitation cop back when, he was a landlord. Doom, doom, doom. Yes. Yes. He was an evil Jamaican landlord. But we lived in the building, so relax. You know what I'm saying? Because I had to stick my hand down many a toilet, so I got my Charles Dickens business on. But no, he got into it with the sanitation cop, and then all I know, he was just like, listen, every day when the garbage goes out, I need you to go through the garbage and make sure there's no cans in it. And I was like, oh, no problem. Just lift the garbage can, make sure there's no cans. Yo, Big Papa, we good. We good. You don't gotta tell your Yankee son nothing else. Got that good Jamaican work ethic. Listen, baby, we good to go right here. Listen, I'm gonna put on a fresh shirt, maybe some fresh kicks, you know what I'm saying? Might do a TikTok dance when I'm checking it. Don't worry, baby. That's why you came to America. From the rooter to the tutor. God bless America. He was like, if you don't listen, you're gonna open every bag and put your hand through it to make sure there are no cans. If a can is found by a sanitation worker, we get a ticket. That ticket is coming out of your bank account. I was like, whoa, what? How? I am a child. I am a wee papito. I am a child. Un bambito. I am not. I can't.
That's so gross. Because my uncles were super used to maybe do the same shit. And then when you reach in that bag, dog, and you're a kid, and your hand just hits like something wet and slimy.
Yes.
And you pull your hand out hoping it's not shit or some other.
Yeah, you hope it's not like a baby. It's like a baby diaper. And then also, depending on where the building is located in, 9 out of every 10 bags has some form of rice in it.
Oh,
some form of rice.
1,000,000%.
Nothing
rice,
worse
beans,
than
old meat.
other people's wet rice. It's so disgusting. That feeling, like,
because when people in the hood will eat left, my mom would make a pot of rice and beans, and that shit would last until motherfuckers ate it. That could be 2 days. That could be a week. So, fam, you over here touching week-old rice and beans that's been sitting in the trash with some diapers and a dead goldfish. You know what I'm saying?
You got to do it at like 4 in the morning. I used to do it when I get home from the club. So now I'm like in an all black Dickie suit. I got the mag flashlight. I'm digging through. Then like somebody is like who really wants the cans. Is like, that's my cans. I'm like, yo, if you don't get it, I'm not taking the cans, bro. Bro, do you see a shopping cart behind me? There's an old Benz over there. It's not a good Benz. It's from 1980, but you get the vibes.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
I can recycle this Benz and get more money than all these fucking cans. Fuck out of here.
Bro, look inside the car. There's 2 7-Eleven hoagies on the passenger seat. I'm getting money. All right.
I'm getting money out here.
Okay.
That's called wealth.
roast beef. Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Only the finest.
I was snacking on Orchard beef links, ostrich beef links earlier tonight. Okay.
You know what I'm
Just in
saying?
case you
I'm doing
forgot.
good.
They're like,
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Like, nigga, you broke.
I'm like, yeah. It's true. Sorry.
Yo, I remember doing
man.
this shit just on some like environmental shit. Cause I was just like, yo, listen, we throw away a lot of like bottled water and cans and shit like that. And there's a return machine right by the thing. Like we might as well just like take them. And I was just like, no. I was like, no. I was like, yo, find fare on Tremont? You want to stand in that line? I was like, yo, you know who's dumping them cans in there? I was like, it's not fucking the Johnsons that are trying to be earth conscious, motherfucker. You're gonna get into a fight with a dope fiend back there. And the shit was in a parking lot was like L-shaped. So the supermarket's like here, and
then they got the alley over there,
is in
like,
the back.
They're like, yo,
You know what I'm saying? So you got the fiends over there fighting and shit, like
you're like, why does it smell like pee over here? And it's not because they pee. It's sometimes they find a bottle full of pee and they gotta dump it out.
Dump it out. Yo,
no, it's not worth it. It's not worth it.
Not at all.
It ain't
After the bottle deposit on Jerome between 176 and Burnside, bro, as soon as you step on that block, it smell like piss. Word to mommy, yo, no funny shit. Yo, if you get off the train at 176 and walk to Burnside, you're going to smell that motherfucker. It's horrible.
They just turned Sin City into a bottle deposit place. It doesn't smell like piss yet, but when you walk by, you can look inside, and it basically looks like Sin City with bottles everywhere with the lights on. It's so jarring. It's just like, also, you know, I mean, listen, I
took a couple shorties in for amateur night. Like, yo, I'm going to drop you off here. Come back. I'll be back.
Low key, I wanted them to turn it into studio. I wanted to turn it into like the wild, not gentrification style apartment, but just like a flex luxury condo and keep the name Sin City. Sin City Apartments. Woo! Someone evil buy Sin City, buy the old Happy Land, and buy Rikers and turn it. No, you know what? This is terrible. This is terrible. What
are we doing?
You know, you're just a joke. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
We just gotta do it. We just gotta do it.
At least everyone's gonna be like, yeah, they keep it real for the Bronx. They're gonna have like something. They'll be like, 2 of the biggest gentrifiers in the Bronx are Desus and Mero. Like BX all day.
Yeah.
By BX all day, we meant all the buildings we purchased.
That's right.
Reminder: if you guys do not download the podcast. The lights will be turned off in your apartment. I've been told this. Yeah. Sorry. Yes, some people are saying this is against the United States government laws. Reminder that our buildings are located in a sovereign state because we're sovereign citizens. Sorry. Remember you signed that. All right.
We're here to tell you right now. We don't care.
All right. So remember to pay your rent in Bodega bucks. We are no longer accepting U.S. Treasury
dollars.
Bodega bucks. Sorry. All right. Remember, if it doesn't have Victor's signature on it, can't take it. Sorry, guys. All right. Okay. Also, don't forget we're gonna have the mandatory cuckold session this weekend, and you have to. That's where everyone's like, "This is outrageous. I'm not gonna be paying in Bodega." Oh wait, so they.
Oh wow.
That's an amenity.
Hey, I'm Chad from Bushwick. I heard what you guys said about me on the podcast, but you know, all will be forgiven if you give Bethany here the old one too.
hey, Chad, welcome.
Just let me watch.
Hey, Chad, welcome. We're looking at your application here for black apartments, and I want to see you want a balcony so you can watch your wife get diddled from behind by a big black man. Wow.
Yeah, from the parking lot with binoculars. It's gonna be awesome. I'm totally into voyeurism.
The fact that we came up with Cuckold Fest way before the GOP usurped our lingo.
Cuckold.
I dare say this. Because listen, we're going to keep it funky. We interviewed the guy. We told you to vote for him. And now we have to turn our backs and say, fuck Joe Biden. Because he's not listening to people. He's already being a hardhead. Remember, it was the better of two evils. We just wanted to keep the world alive. So now we can turn on this old white guy. And now he's not listening to people. And I think he's going to steal polygons. He's going to be like, the problem with America is this polygon-based thing. So
Let me tell you. I'll tell you what.
These polygons are the real problem with America. The problem with America is polygons. Everything else is a bunch of malarkey. Immigrants? No. LGBTQIA? No, not the problem. It's polygons.
It's the polygons. It's the polygons. Did you hear Joe Biden? Where he's wilding, bro. He's wild. Well, he's not wild. He's not even president yet. What am I talking about?
But
he's not wilding. Because I'm like, he's wilding, but then Trump's out here like, no, the election doesn't count. No
do over.
He's like, no backseas.
Yo, it's not a Nintendo, nigga. You can't just hit reset. Like, like what are you doing? Fuck is wrong with you, my guy? Yo, this dude is such. It's like the levels of bozo-ness. I'm like, yo, fam. Like, this is what happens when, like, and it's funny because the whole shit was like, hey, I'm just a regular guy. I just want America first, regular guy. Guy, keep putting regular guys in fucking
regular
office.
Guys.
You bozo.
You see the regular guys? They was out in D.C., the Proud Boys, out there beating up people, beating up harmless couples and shit.
How mad is Wiz Khalifa that they co-opted Black and Yellow, B? How mad?
That's so corny.
It's so corny.
And it's just like, and then the cop, it's so wild. You watch the video, it's just like, they're wilding, they're beating up people, they're burning.
They're
BLM
shoving cops.
And the cops are just there. The cops is like harassing the Black Lives Matter people.
Guys,
hey,
please.
Hey.
Guys, come on. Guys.
They're not even saying that
it's
to
like,
them. They're just letting them wild because that's like their sons and their brothers and shit. It's wild.
It's like when I'm at the store with my kids and I'm like, yo, I can't smack you in the back of the head right now, so I'm gonna just like hover around you and shit. Like
yeah. Hey. You gotta be like, hey. Hey. You do the finger, you do the snap in the finger point. Look. Hey,
yo.
Hey.
I'm like, yo, what am I doing? Why am I using all of the same strategies I use on Brownie with my kids?
Exactly.
I'm like
listen.
Drop it.
Treat. Listen. Come to me. Good boy.
I fucked up.
Yeah.
Because I did the shit that happens when you get a dog with your partner and you talk to them like they're your child. So you like little Brownie baby, boo 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 boo. So now they only respond to when you're, you know what I mean? Like Brownie won't respond to my regular. Yeah, I gotta pitch it up instead of being like, yo, Brownie, treat. I gotta be like, treat. I'm like, damn, this old blind bitch running out the house. She's running to the street. I'm like, treat.
It's hard.
I'm running down the block.
That. It happens. Like, you got to be careful what you say to your dog when you first get them. Because, like, with Rocco, I didn't have to worry about them because he was already kind of housebroken. But then with Mac, it's just like, I got him, and it was wild because I was in the car, Spotify, real hip-hop, yeah.
Yep.
Next thing I know, this dog's only taking commands in Wu-Tang. I'm like, you want to go for, good boy, you want to go for a walk?
Yeah,
like, She's on the couch, like, what? I don't know what that means. I'm like,
you could have put your way out of wet paper bags.
Well, I'm gonna give it to you with no trivia. They're like cocaine straight from Bolivia. He's like, all right, cool. Yeah, he'll get the leash and shit. He's like, what's up? A lot of times, in order to get him to go for a walk, I have to pretend that there's a cipher going on outside my door, and then he gets mad amped. He's like, oh shit, and he does that rocking back and forth, mom spaghetti shit, and I feel bad. But he's a dog. He doesn't know. Sometimes. His favorite game was when I take a microphone and throw it down the hall, and he comes back. Or when I take microphone fiends and put them up against the wall. He likes that.
Yo,
you know what I'm saying?
Yo, that's what the technique.
Shout out to anyone playing.
Nigga barks and horn loops.
Yeah, exactly. I'll just be sitting there watching TV, and all of a sudden there'll be like the noise at the door, and he'll be like, I'm like, oh shit, they reminisce. Oh shit, who's at the door? Who's at the door? They reminisce over you?
UPS.
My God. That brief moment of hip hop interlude was sponsored by Rap Caviar on Spotify. Rap Caviar, and sponsored by the Bodega Boys. Remember, in 2021, if you want to keep your finger on the pulse of hip hop culture, listen to Rap Caviar on Spotify, available on local streaming services, and probably on a Fire Stick if you go to the barbershop, and that's not where you're supposed to get it from. Like, just because they sell it there, like, come on, like, respect.
Yeah, I mean,
like,
I'm saying, yo, first, yeah. You know
listen,
what I'm saying? Like, you know.
Hey, what's up? This is your boy Jesus Nice.
And I'm the Kid Mero. You wouldn't go into a store and steal something.
Exactly.
So you shouldn't steal content.
All right, you wouldn't download that car. You know, we're asking you, please, respect the copyrights of big corporations. When you see Viacom, Showtime, Spotify, all the music companies, they worked hard to put that music out there. So don't dare download it. Pay them for it. Thank you.
Come on.
And be sure to watch Your Honor, streaming now on Showtime. It's a great show. It's got the guy from Malcolm in the Middle. It's just a fantastic show. You can't go wrong.
It's like the guy from Malcolm in the Middle.
The guy from Malcolm in the Middle. I'm like,
that means one guy.
The guy from Malcolm in the Middle. He can either be called the guy from Malcolm in the Middle, or if you really want to respect his illustriousness, he was one of the neighbors on King of Queens.
He was, right?
Remember that?
I was like, yo.
Remember that?
I was like, yo.
If we ever interview him, that's all we bring it up. We're not bringing up no Breaking Bad. We're just like, yo.
Remember when you were in the neighborhood on King of Queens? Let's talk about that experience. What's Kevin James like in real life?
I was like, what did you, like, so then you just didn't work until now? That's wild. So how, were you getting residuals?
Totally nuts.
Explain that. Yeah, because I know, like, you don't get residuals? Oh.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Yikes.
Learn something new every day, Mero.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Should have negotiated better.
That's wild. So about Malcolm in the Middle. Was Malcolm really in the middle?
Was he?
He's just going
he's like, yo, man. He's like, yo, I thought.
Can you dramatically exit a Zoom interview?
Yeah, you gotta just slam your laptop, but you gotta do it mad slow so it doesn't like.
Well, what if you got like our setup and you can't? There's no Mac. There's no thing. Like if you just automatically click leave meeting, you look stupid. But then if you walk away from a camera, you're still in your house.
Yeah,
you eventually gotta come back and they're gonna catch that. Right?
You gotta get up and like walk to the side and just like gently like reach over and like
use your finger and creep over to leave meeting. Oh, that's even more pathetic. Now they see your head and your eyes at the bottom of the screen, like looking like end meeting.
You gotta be like, yo, you gotta write "fuck out of here" in the chat and then just bounce.
You gotta turn off the lights in your room, thinking that would make it dark, but then like the light from your screen keeps you illuminated. Now you just look weird. Now you turn into a meme. Hate to see it. Hate to see it.
It's like you're afraid of the dark and shit. Are you afraid of the Zoom?
Huh? I'm over here like, why is this cursor not moving? I'm touching the wrong cursor about it. Mero, how was Mazel Tov? How was your Chanukah or Hanukkah, depending on how you pronounce it, or if you're dyslexic?
You know what I'm saying? It was. I'm not even gonna lie. It was low key. It was kind of disappointing. Usually Hanukkah is like, shout out to all my Jewish people out there. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Judaism, Judaism gang. Usually Hanukkah is like is kind of like a big deal because everybody orders food. You know what I'm saying? From you, everybody's like, yo, you're gonna order food from your favorite place. I usually get wild smizzy beforehand, so I'm just like, yo, son, let me get 5 egg rolls, chicken lo mein. You know what I'm saying? Whatever, because you're not supposed to like cook or like work or whatever.
Yeah.
I guess. But this year was just like, man, like yo, it's not. Shit's hitting different.
Not the same.
Like, nah, like we didn't order
the whole
shit
thing with the with like the Zoom.
Yeah, nah. Judy did like the drive-by jump off. I was just like
from the window.
I was just like, yo, bro. I was like, this is kind of. I was like,
sad.
yo, I was like, sad, but then I was just like, smacks. I was just like, wait a minute.
It was sad, but it was safe. You gotta make the best of it. How was the food? I seen you post a picture of Heather. She frying up the fire lot.
Out here. Yes, sir. I had the latkes on Zach, you know what I'm saying? I had the wild bubble guts right after because they're wild greasy, you know what I'm saying?
Bubble guts.
Because, you know what I'm saying? You know when you fry some shit and you don't let it sit for long enough and like on the paper towel and you just like a little...
I'm vegan. I'm not. I have no experience. I have no experience frying food. I've never had meat in my whole life. Hey, yo. No.
Yo, quick note. If you made your latkes in the air fryer, you know what I'm saying? That's anti-Semitic.
Wow.
Hit it.
Wow.
Shout out to his family.
Hey. Shout to Dylan Francis making it lit, all right? Shout to everyone that heard that already, because they were wild smacked at the table, like, yo. Yo, that lock is telling me to eat it, yo.
Yo, shit, yo. I knew that. I should have put that Molly in my butt 2 hours ago.
But yeah, shout out to my Jews celebrating Hanukkah, and shout out to who else did I want to shout out? It was it was it was the Knicks. It was the Knicks because we got a new player. Obi Toppin, double topping, aka right. Obi Bryant. Wow, let's go. Wow. The city's under new management. Okay,
that's right.
All right, y'all over there talking about when KD comes back, when Kyrie comes back. I say this with no hyperbole, no exaggeration.
Teach these devils.
Watching Obi play, Obi Toppin play. I got chills. It reminded me of a young Walt Chamberlain, Dr. J,
Giannis. Combo, Jordan,
Michael Jordan.
You know what I'm saying?
Who's the guy that invented basketball? James
Naismith.
Exactly. Ron Baker, David Lee, Serena Williams, Selena, Selena and Barnes.
That's right.
Sally Jesse Raphael, her red glasses.
That's right.
Red Licorice.
And Phil Donahue.
Red Cafe. Red Fox.
What
Foxy
else?
Brown. Samantha Fox.
Woo!
Samantha from Bewitched.
Sammy Sweet from
B. Arthur from Golden Girls.
Arthur King Arthur.
King Arthur. Arthur Spooner from King of Queens. The Borough of Queens. Noriega. Fisher Spooner. Noriega. What? Wawa. To bring it back to Questlove, who was on Jimmy Fallon, where we made the joke about Taylor Swift, and that's how it all comes back to Desus and Mero. There you go.
Pow.
60 steps, the 60 separation, 60 degrees of separation between you and Desus and Mero. That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
You can name anyone in the world. We can relate to them in 60 steps or less. Exactly. It's not that
And we probably interviewed them and totally forgot.
Yeah.
So there's 1 degree of separation.
Exactly.
Yeah. They're like, the Secretary of State from Nebraska. They're like, we interviewed them when we was doing the Vice show on episode 28.
And we're like, oh wow. She's like, it changed my life. We're like, yeah, we don't remember you. We were super high.
Sorry.
But no jokes.
Marijuana.
Obi Toppin was looking good out there. He's looking good. He's trying to get the 3 off. He's playing some defense.
You know what I'm saying?
Around him, we could have something.
Yo, and I fuck with Tom Thibodeau's energy, B, because he was masked up and he took his mask off, so he let you motherfuckers know, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing? That's what we need. A coach that's patrolling the sidelines, yelling like a motherfucker.
I mean, we do need a coach, yelling. We don't need a coach yelling in a pandemic. The whole taking the mask off, it's kind of not the vibe Dr. Fauci's going for. How many times a day you think Dr. Fauci says, "What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding? What
the fuck, guys? I said wear your mask unless you're putting food in your fucking pie hole. You
goes over the nose. What the
Unbelievable, this guy.
Oh, come on.
She
got it on her chin. Come on. She's a mask dodger.
Oh, my God.
Wow. I saw a Pinot the other day, and both people in it were wearing masks. And I was like, I
get it. Listen, now's the time. If you're a dub, but you got a wild brolic cock, or you know what I'm saying? You got an ill body. You know what I'm saying?
I mean,
you know what I'm saying? Throw that mask on and make it happen.
I mean, some people like ugly people in porn.
True.
Every now and then you see a ugly
you catch that front page.
And you be like, come on. And you're just like, yo, because sometimes the ugg mugs go harder. So you're like, yo.
Sometimes.
All right, let's
say 8 times out of 10.
We respecting ugg mug culture. As me and Mero, we're both dimes. And listen, bitch, this is before the BBLs. Okay, don't get it twisted. All right. Listen, our belly buttons are in the original place.
That's right.
Don't you dare. Don't
play with us.
All right?
Okay.
OnlyFan in the bio. Okay.
That's right.
OnlyFan is who? Jesus. That's right. Pray for him.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. I'm just open the OnlyFans. You open it. It's just me looking at your camera like, open your Bible, you heathen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No, I'm not taking my shirt off. Are you wildin'?
All right.
Here's some personalized content. Yo, Jose, open up to Corinthians 12:23.
Yeah.
He's like, what? That don't even make sense. I'm like, I don't know. Just open the shit.
It's still hot though, because it's like, yo, she's yelling script. Bro, she's like yelling script. You know what? There's enough nasty guys out there that could jerk it to that. Totally.
Yo, come on.
Bro, she's yelling scriptures at you and she's calling you names. Like, come on, bro. It doesn't get hotter.
Yo, it's so hot, bro. Super hot.
bro, I mean, if you're cool, I'm just gonna run a hotel room. Just like a bunch of us guys go up there. I'll put it on the big screen. Like, it's whatever.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We gotta keep it real. Guys are gross. Well, men are
Guys are
disgusting.
nasty.
We're disgusting.
We're
disgusting. We're straight
I'm like,
sushi.
wait, so it's gonna be like 5 guys in a hotel suite jerking it? So it's gonna be pizza or like what's going on? Like what's the
what's
open
the
bar or
is it gonna like refreshments or
just show it with
I don't know.
show it with like 3 gallons of Georgie, like, yo boys, that party started.
yeah.
Dicks on deck, let's go.
I don't even ask them questions. I'm like, it's like, yo, can I smoke in there?
Exactly.
Coming in with
That
my
changes
pants
it.
down already.
'Cause you can't go to a sex if allegedly I've heard
Allegedly,
if you go to
allegedly.
a sex party and they're like you can't smoke, that changes the whole vibe. That changes the whole fucking vibe. Cause it's like, yo, I thought this was like international waters. I thought anything goes. I mean,
word.
You got the rules. You can't just be touching people and stuff. They sent out the consent rules and all that stuff from the floor and everything. But then it's just like, so I can do everything else, but I can't smoke. And they're like,
I
yeah,
can't smoke some weed?
The law. No, there was. I read a story on Reddit that there was a party once, and they said that people in 2005 at a motel in 33rd Street that I don't remember the exact location, but it was on the 19th floor, and they were letting people smoke cigarettes, and people were like, "What the fuck?" And I was like, and the person that said the story on Reddit was like, "They said you can't smoke in here," and people were very upset about that. And for going forward, the person that posted the story had to talk to management to change these things. So,
Yo, what is the sex party without drugs? It's like that's the fucking like
how does
cliche.
You said what?
What's the sex party without like a little?
You know what? And
imbibing?
it's just like, and that's the
That's
whole
like
thing.
the
It's just
cliche:
like,
sex, drugs, and rock and roll, dog.
that sounds so old and white, but that's like
I know.
what it is. That's what it is, though. That's what it is.
It really is. It's sex, drugs,
It's
and
like-
rock and roll. You get there,
it's
niggas
kinda-
playing Led Zeppelin and fucking.
It's sad because it's like every time we remember way back in the olden days with dinosaurs when we used to travel and do comedy shows. I used to be in our hotel room after the show, and I was like, should I just trash this hotel room? Is that like what they? should I just like throw the TV off the? And they're like, first of all, it's a flat screen. Like it's not gonna shatter when it hits the ground. It's just gonna be like out there. Oh shit.
It's just gonna get like a little spider crack in the shit, and like
Yeah. It's like,
the screen's gonna turn purple. You're gonna be like, yo, that was not dramatic at all.
At all.
You think the TV's gonna explode into like a firebomb and shit when it hits the floor? Like, yo, we 20 floors up. This shit's definitely gonna blow up. Nah, homie.
It's not gonna do nothing, bro.
It's gonna be a wild anticlimactic thud.
Never got the chance to do that. Corona stole that from us.
God damn it. We never got to be mad cool and like you know what I'm saying? Just leave like throw up on the floor and leave it.
Never
know
had
what
a
I'm
chance on a new Twitter. They'd be like, "Oh, Jesus Knight found unresponsive in a hotel room." And like our trend is like pray for Jesus and all this shit. And they're like, "What
You
happened?"
just wake up in the hospital
I
like, yo,
wake
I'm
up
good.
and I'm
What do you
just
mean?
like, "Bro," I'm like, "Bro, like they gave me like a warm Bex, bro. Like what the fuck? Like who's in charge of the green room? Like that shit could have killed me. Look at my medical alert bracelet. It says the Bex gotta be chilled. Like come on, fuck. I'm just taking all the fucking tubes out. Like this is some bullshit." Victor, order me some Chick-fil-A. Like, oh, whoa. Sorry,
what's going
guy.
on?
Sorry, guy. I'm a little woozy from being, checked in the hospital. Give me some P.F.
Excuse me.
Chang's. We're in Boston. Give me some P.F. Chang's, bro.
Yo.
Also, that's
nigga,
all.
We did that
Shout out
show?
to me and
Oh my
Mero.
God.
That's kind of all me and Mero know of Boston from our comedy show because we only
Yo.
walked in a 1-block radius. They were like, "What do you want to eat from Boston?" And that's literally 50 meters away from your hotel room. I was like,
Piff checks.
P.F. Chang's.
I was like, yo, I remember the first time I was like, oh shit, Tremont is mad long. 'Cause it's-
Oh man.
Yo, Tremont goes all the way to fucking Massachusetts.
Oh, but shout out to Boston.
Yeah.
We had some great shows out there, man. Shout
Shout out to the
Wilbur.
Wilbur. You know what I'm saying?
Man. Shout out to all the live shows we did. So much fun. Just missed them.
Yo.
Hopefully with the
we can do it
vaccine.
again.
With the vaccine coming out,
Someday.
we can get back to that. But it also strikes me that Bodega Hive probably won't be taking the vaccine. You know the vibe.
Oh, yeah.
You know the
Yeah,
vibe.
they're gonna be like, yeah,
But-
yeah,
Yeah, right, bro. Yeah.
yeah. Miraculously, after fucking neocon liberals win the election, now there's
Bro.
a vaccine all of a sudden, bro.
Yeah, bro. That vaccine's a Babylon thing. Yo, Jesus, you changed. Here's my hot take. Get this. in order to be a conspiracy person, if you're really doing conspiracies, you're on the cutting edge. Your conspiracies are so out there, other people don't fuck with it. Other people look at you like you fucking stupid. I'm talking about the people who are 9/12 was like, yo, jet fuel does not melt steel beams. All right, right after 9/11, the next day, you got banned from Slashdot because you was posting about that. But okay. All right, now this whole the vaccine, I don't trust the vaccine. It's wild mainstream. You go on Facebook, you got mad soccer moms doing it. You got like regular, like out of touch Hollywood actors doing it. There's nothing cool about this. So it's no longer a cool conspiracy theory. Now it's just some weirdo shit. Now it's just some shit
now
that your uncle. Now your uncle saw some shit about people got Bell's palsy on Facebook, and he's talking like he's Dr. Fauci in the barbershop about it. Which, by the way, the barbershop should not be open. Okay? The shower curtains ain't doing shit. Okay?
Yo, see, I need to stop. Because y'all in there talking, coughing, smoking, doing whatever the fuck you trying to do. That's what we out here looking like. That's what I'm not speaking for these, but personally, I'm out here looking like a goddamn hostage. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to go.
You got to ask questions. It's like, if you out here at the barbershop, where exactly you going, my boy? Where you going? Because I don't need to get...
You getting fresh to stay in the crib?
Exactly. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, it's me. I'm stupid. I am the one. I'm the dummy that's been locked in my apartment for damn near, I would say like 8, 9, 10 months. I'm the dumb person that hasn't been to a club or seen a friend or any of that. So I've been locked up. It's like how there's now people in my building who are wearing masks, and you can see it's because something happened to them. Because they would give me the wild, dirty look in July when I was wearing the mask. When I was wearing it in May, the guy that's like the doorman in my building has no idea what I look like because he got hired after the outbreak, so he's never seen me without a mask. That's how serious I am about this shit because it's not that hard. But then you got motherfuckers in here having like niggas is just chilling. I'm not making it hot. I know we've been talking spicy this whole episode. There's a private club a couple blocks away from me. They are right there. If you drive by, you can see it. Like at 6 o'clock, you can see them loading Hennessy out the back of the car. Ain't no mask going on in there. You know what I'm saying? They doing their thing. Half of me wants to report it because they're super spreading. That's how super spreading works. That's how super spreading works. But the other half of me is like, I don't know, like, do I really want to be on the phone snitching on niggas? I really gonna, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Am I trying to be best friends with academics? Like, no.
Yo, but nah, they're not stopping that shit, bro. It's wild because it's like Boardwalk Empire, dog. It's like motherfuckers really got speakeasies. Like
yes, it is. And
it's like prohibition era shit. It's
niggas
wild.
Money off of it. Again, I almost just self-snitch. But I know someone who, you know, they get money. They still got the hookah going. They still got... And then the thing is, like, if you got people that still want to go out, and now you like, oh, okay, you know what? The way they're doing it now, private location, they send you, the QC code? And then you scan that. It gives you the location, the address. And then, of course, it's like masks are mandatory, but then you see photos from it. Ain't no mask going on.
Ain't no... Get the fuck out of here. Masks are mandatory. This dick. Bro, I know so many fucking dancers, and all they do on a story all day. Yo, I'm at such and such. DM for location. DM for location.
Yep,
DM for location. Come on. I know a vibe. I know the vibes. I also know a lot of dudes that work security at those joints, and they're like... Yo, listen, I'm gonna keep it funky with you. This shit is wild. It's savage. Like, yo, if you dancing, shorty, don't come over here unless you sucking wild dick. I'm gonna keep it 100. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause that's what's going down over here. It's like underground sex parties all over the place. Like,
it's not even underground. Cause again, it's like, it's your expectations because you're like, yo, we already breaking the law. What other laws can I break? You know what I'm saying? If you at an underground party, you want to do the wild sniffer yay right there out in the open. Who gonna stop you?
Who gonna check me?
That's when they're gonna be like, oh, you gotta go? Like, fuck you.
Go where?
Do whatever I want. Matter of fact,
I ain't going nowhere. Guess what? I'll shut this whole shit down right now.
Exactly. One phone call.
Try me.
Matter of fact, I'm taking all the bartenders' tips off the top of the bar. Right?
You mad?
Fight me.
Do something. You got 9-1.
Go ahead.
I'll George Bush the button. Don't play with me.
Exactly. Okay? I'll flip this place like you got oil underneath you. What's up? I'm just on stage with a garbage bag taking the money from one of the dancers while she's on the pole. Like, yeah, what?
Yo.
Yo.
Let me get those heels too. I want to smash my girl in them shits. Y'all the same size?
Exactly. Spray them shits down with Lysol though.
Yo, word. Chill. Matter of fact, you can keep them. They got the toe prints.
I wonder if they're gonna come out with different. Like, they should come out with designer vaccines. Like, if they come out with a Dior vaccine and you could like rock the vial on the chain.
What?
Ooh, yes.
Now we're talking.
Now they gotta come
I'm
out
a wild
with
label whore.
Exactly. They gotta show ways for us to rock what vaccine you got. So like, I don't know. Yeah.
Yo, nigga, I got that Louis Regeneron. What's up?
So it gotta come with a full kit, like the sweatsuit, like a do-rag and all that shit. Like, so you could come head to toe Louis with the he got Regeneron money. Wow.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Just out here season 3, you know what I'm saying? Numbers went up a little bit, you feel me? We out here doing it, you feel me?
Oh shit. all the sneaker blogs are like, oh my god, he got the Regeneron dunks in the background. I'm like, yo.
How'd you get those?
Wow, you're just showing them off like, yo, when you pull them in sunlight, look, it makes more vaccine. They're like, yo, wow.
Shit, yo, that's wild.
Crazy. That's wild, bro. Bro, put those on StockX, bro. Come on, bro.
Oh, nah, this nigga living in the future.
Wow, bro. That's mine, bro. I tried to get those on sneaker. I tried to get those on the sneaker app for my mom because she was like dying, but I didn't get it. But I'm glad you got them because that's cool because like you're gonna rock them, but she's just gonna like die and you know.
All right. Would you rather have regular? I know you already got it, but hypothetically speaking, you don't have it. Would you rather have the PS5 or the vaccine? There's a lot of motherfuckers out there that would say PS5 with no hesitation.
PS5 immediately. Let me see. Here's a better question. What would you rather have? No, that's not a good question. That's just stupid. Let me see. Everyone in the world gets the vaccine except for you, and you have to spend the rest of your life susceptible to possibly getting COVID. For the rest of your life, there's nothing you can do to avoid it, so you have to keep wearing masks. You have to keep social distancing. Everyone can still go to parties. Everyone can still go to sporting events. Everyone can still go to baseball games, basketball games, parties, all that bullshit. But the Knicks win a championship.
You said the rest of my life?
Oh yeah, the rest of you get one champion. You get 3 back-to-back Knicks championships. But the rest of your life, you get a three-peat.
Knicks three-peat? Sign me up.
But no. But like, it's critical. It's critical because you do not have.
No, I don't care.
Vaccine.
I don't care.
Like you stand inside.
Is Twitter still real? Is Twitter still a thing?
This is taking place right now this year.
Right now? Sign me up.
The Knicks win 21, 22, 20. You know what? I'm not taking the vaccine. I'll take that too.
I'll take that too. And 23? 23? So you can be like,
Jordan
2020, Jordan year? Woo! Yo, I will get banned from Twitter so fucking fast.
I'm dying. I am dying at the 23rd parade because I'm running naked.
Nigga, and I'll be right there. It'll be like the last scene in The Notebook, nigga. I'm dying holding hands with you because the Knicks three-peated, and I don't give a fuck that I got COVID. Fuck that shit.
Niggas gonna die on the floor with their dicks out. Like, we did it!
Anything is possible!
Friday night Knicks. Tell me just to get there. I'm playing the slide guitar with my penis, like, yeah.
Yo, Knicks 3P, bro, that would shut everybody up forever, B.
You know what?
Like, you could never talk shit about the Knicks again. I
am not a therapist, but the fact that you and I are talking about a Knicks 3P.
Are we?
Let's break this down. Let's get to the base problem here. What would the Knicks need before a 3P in order to even have a 3P? A 2P, right? Okay. And in order to have a 2P, they'd need and they're like, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
I was wildin'.
Okay, yeah. No, I was bugging. Yeah, my fault. Yeah. I won't do it again, I promise.
Damn, sorry. Yeah. Lowered recommendation, lowered expectations, like critical thinking. Sorry.
You know when you get high, you ask questions like that all the time. Like, yo, son. Yo, so you got $100 million mansion, right? It's like 100,000 square feet. 2 pools, basketball court, home entertainment center, everything you could ever want, bowling alley, everything. Your favorite shit, all your shit. But you got to stay there for 10 years. And only your homies can come see you. You know what I'm saying? You can never leave. You know what I'm saying? And you just mad high, like, and everybody's just like sitting around thinking about it, like pontificating, like, yeah, but if I have everything I need and like my friends can come over, that's cool, right? Like,
Right.
but then I can't, but then I'm in jail. And then the motherfuckers have been locked up. It's like, nah, fam, nah.
It's the same. It's the same. But those two things make no sense because they're just like, would you do a line of coke for $10 million? You're like, I did half a line of coke while reading this tweet. Like, what are you
talking about?
Like,
I paid for some coke.
You're like, so like, yeah, so I gotta pay you 10 mil for a line? Like, those prices seem exorbitant, but it's like really good coke. Like,
is it
like, is it like gray or like fish scale? Like, what exactly?
Like when like does it like dissolve? Like when I rub it between my fingers? Like, you know?
Does
like,
it taste
get
like
oily?
We had a term in the 80s. We used to call it angel hymen. Like, does it taste like that? Because I mean, if that's the case, I'll definitely.
If that's the case,
I'll
take it, bro. Yo, fam.
That was our nickname.
Yo.
That was our nickname for Madonna. I mean, you know, like, you know.
Yeah, we would have backup dances in like '84.
And by backup, I mean I was blowing her back up. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. I remember one time me and Bubbles, we Eiffel Towered her like in the Eiffel Tower. Like, it was wild, bro. And then
it was cool.
It was on fire. It was wild.
It was nuts, bro.
Yeah. And then she had to go to the hospital, and Ronald Reagan was like on the plane, and he had like a suit and tie, but then he had on like jogging pants. It was wild to see, bro. Like, and he was eating jelly beans. Nancy Reagan used to put him in his butt because he'd get forgetful and. And then like I walked in on him one night and like I was like, "What are you doing, Ron?" And he was like, "I'm making a sandwich," but he wasn't making a sandwich. He was like making crack, and it was just like, wow,
it's wild
thing, bro. Like, he invented.
He's like,
bro, it was sad. Like, he was trying to make a bologna sandwich. Next thing I know, he made freebase. It was just like,
I'm gonna make this and distribute it in the inner city.
Ron,
it's gonna be my crowning achievement.
Ron, you said you're gonna make like a Dagwood. You're gonna make a hoagie like Dagwood. What is that? That seems to be like uncut raw, perico. Come on, bro.
That's what they call it uptown.
That looks like that stuff that's gonna make your jaw freeze, bro. Like, that looks like that stuff that you're gonna smoke out the little tube, bro. Like, trying to make some rock stars out here.
Listen, it's free base,
bro. Why is Rick Ross behind
you in jail?
Bro, why is the Iran Contras keep calling you? Like, what's going on? They're calling on the house.
I don't know. Like, I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about.
So
it's like, I only have Contra for Nintendo.
If you listen to the director's cut of this podcast, right here would be me, Mero, Victor, and Hasan, all in like director's chairs. And we're like, see, the vision that we saw for this segment, we saw that we'd like to make light of Ronald Reagan in his twilight, as he no longer actually had the mental faculties to be president. But at the same time, we wanted to expose just the nefariousness of the destructiveness that he did by bringing crack cocaine into the black community. So then when my brother, my partner, the kid Mero, came in and made the joke, it reminded people of just the audacity that just people of color went through in the early 80s. And then I decided that as a treat, as a little piece of critical parsley, I'd mention the Iran-Contra affair. Just, stir up the subconscious memories of people. Me and Mero, we, in the review, and we talked to Victor and Hasan about it. We were going to do an Ollie North joke, but we felt that was too heavy-handed. And that we had done one, and I remember, I want to say episode 163. Yeah. So that'd be a distant callback, and it just seemed gouge. It just seemed like just extra. So, we pulled back on that. Yeah.
Yeah. It was excellent show of restraint and artistry.
Exactly.
And it's, again, just off the top, because, when we perform, it's just like we transcend.
It's
we
like
just transcend comedy.
I mean, I'm not to step on your toes, but it's like Professor Mero says on his NYU comedy class, listen, a good joke is like a dick. You don't have to pull the foreskin back.
No.
What the fuck does that mean?
They're like, yo,
you're gonna die, and they're gonna put that on a statue, and your kids are gonna be wild confused. Like he never said that. He never said that.
He said the opposite. Like, when he was saying, like, this is how you wash yourself in the shower, he actually said the opposite. I would say that.
I would say that at graduations and shit while crying. I'll be like, that's a kid Mero always said. A good joke is like a dick, and the crowd's gonna be like, yo, gotta pull the foreskin back. Like, Mero.
Then my hologram comes on. It's like, hello, Desus.
Oh,
Hey.
wow.
I'm just up here listening to some Skepta. Hey, Rocco's doing great. We're best friends. Your girlfriend is a genius. She's a genius. She's the best person ever.
Yo, the graphics suck, yo. Yo, download the patch, yo. What is this shit? What is this? Cyberpunk 2077? This shit is whack, bro.
I turned into a Minecraft character out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Like, I start glitching and shit. Like,
yo, they trying to run PS5 software on the PS4. Just 7 years of like a development went by. Like, what the fuck, bro?
Talk about it. There's motherfuckers in shambles because of this game. I'm like, yo, my man, what video game has been released that has been so hyped up and actually lived up to the hype?
Preach.
Ever.
I mean, to clarify what you just said, which one on release day? Because like on release day, shit is always garbage. Eventually they get it. Shout out to Grand Theft Auto 5. Remember when it first came out?
Perfect example. Wild Buggy.
It was like Wild Buggy. Remember
Wild
even Grand Theft Auto 3?
That shit came out on my fault. That shit came out on PS3. That's how long that game has been out. That shit came out on PS3.
Exactly. I remember one of the glitches on PS3 for PlayStation for PlayStation 2 on Grand Theft Auto 3, which would ruin the whole game for people. And it was to the point people didn't even realize it was a glitch. There was one mission where you opened an island and you had to shoot everyone that had like the purple hoodies because you were on the green hoodies or some shit like that. Not this isn't San Andreas. This was like one of the missions. It was at weird level where when you landed, you came out the tunnel and there was like a ramp and you could jump across and land on a cliff. I forgot exactly. It was like the Dodo Island or whatever. But if you had, for some reason, it wouldn't register properly, you could never undo that mission. You could never finish the mission. So you'd have to restart. And then they fixed Grand Theft Auto 3. Oof. But it was before you could download patches. So you had to buy a brand new one on PlayStation 2. So the whole thing. But now look, Grand Theft Auto 5 is fire. Like, they got everything fixed. Yeah. It like, feels like real life. You can waste time in it. I feel like Cyberpunk is going to get there. But listen, it's day one, baby.
It's day one. What you expect? Fam, come on.
Look,
and they're talking about they're not even. Yeah, exactly. Mm-hmm. And they like, yo, every time they put out a new gun or some shit, somebody discovers some type of glitch. Yo, the growl has no recoil, bro. It's like a laser.
Yeah.
They're gonna nerf it.
Also, shout out to Call of Duty. It's like, oh, you want some fixes? All right. Here's 80 gigs in downloads, nigga.
Bam!
Like, whoa,
stupid.
Whoa. Why?
Yo.
I was trying to play tonight. I have yo, shorty went to the store. I got 15 minutes. What the fuck?
Yo, come on, son. That's why these consoles never turn off now. Yep. They stay like standby because it's like, yo, this patch is 87,000 gigs, homie.
You really thought you was gonna play tonight? Yeah, you thought.
He's turning shit off. Yo, fam. And you got the fucking external hard drive on your shit. You're like, oh, I'm good, baby. You wake up and you're like, I downloaded, not enough space. You're like, no.
I changed the settings on my controller because now instead of doing English, it does like New York. So now it'd be like, yo, this download is gonna take dumb long, my nigga. I'm like, wow.
Yo, oh wow.
Instead of having a progress bar, it just has like either a chopped cheese and it has either my head or your head just going yomp, yomp, yomp as the download finishes, or it's just Timberlands just in front of each other. Like, do. You are 10 white Air Force Ones away from your download. You're like, what does that mean? How long is it? What is
I don't know what that means.
What does that time measurement mean?
What is that? Is that a blunt just burning? Like, what the fuck? Yo, you have 3 pulls until you are done.
Your download will be ready in 4 Peter guns. You're like, what? What is? What? Does that mean I got to cheat? What? I don't.
What? Is that out yet? I can't wait. Is that out yet? It needs to be out yet.
What?
The Peter Guns cheaters? Cheater Guns?
Cheater. That's my rap game. That's my rap name right there.
Cheater Guns. Ah!
They call me Cheater Guns, but these bullets are monogamous. Oh!
They only hitting you, motherfucker.
Whoa!
Whoa! That's called motherfucking bars.
Whoa!
Relax.
The nigga ain't even know he was engaged. You like, whoa!
Drops this Friday.
You said what?
Cheaters with Peter Guns drops this Friday.
Woo! Let's go, baby. I know when I'm setting my DVR to.
They really should have dropped it on Christmas Day if we're keeping it funky.
Yeah, that was the best gift you could give for 2020.
Exactly.
For real. Turn the whole year around.
A whole year. Oh, also shout out to everyone. Listen, I these are my confessions. Yeah. I was out here playing the internet. Playing the internet. Wow, I sound like I'm on Facebook. No, playing video games and losing battles. And I was like, why am I losing battles? And then after, like Mero told me, listen, if you are not using Ethernet directly into your console, you are losing out. Okay?
Yo, the sweat is gonna get you, bro. You need that less than sign 10 millisecond ping, dog. That's what you need.
Listen, I got a hot take. Scorching hot take.
Fuego.
Get this. Telecommunication companies, they spent big money on marketing to get people to no longer use Ethernet cables, to only use Wi-Fi, to the point, because think about it, you hear about the cloud, you hear about Wi-Fi, you never hear about Ethernet cables. When you hear about Ethernet cables, you think, oh, that's old, that's something I don't need. Why?
You watch.
Why? Because telecommunication companies, they embed this in your mind from birth. How do they do it? What does the doctor cut?
Your umbilical cord.
Exactly. Cord. Wow. Now you cordless.
I'm a cord cutter. I'm a cord cutter.
Yeah.
Everything's wireless. There's no messy wires. Get my wires.
Back in like the 70s and the 80s, our parents used to walk around with their placenta on them all the time. That's what the afro was for. And
you know what I'm saying? That's right. Talk about it.
Also, I'd like to announce that we're opening a new illegal club called Placenta. Okay? Don't ask what happens in there. You got to come find out.
The Placenta Center. You know what I'm saying? Come through. You know what I'm saying? DM for location.
All right? They're like, yo, is that Placenta dancing? I was like, yo, you coming in or not? Like, come on, you make it hot.
Fucking business, B. Come on. You know, what's the password?
Okay.
Placenta.
Also, there's chimchimi, placenta over there on the hot grill. So,
Ooh, let's go! Chimichurri placenta. Oh, God, ew.
You know what I miss? I miss me and Mero just popping up at some random location in some different state, and people being like, "What the fuck are y'all doing here?" Like, how much fun was that? Just in a very dangerous location that we should not be in without security. Everyone's like, "What are y'all doing here?" Because we're like smacked. We're from the Bronx. And they're like, "Oh, here we go."
Oh boy.
Yeah, we're from the Bronx. we go where we want.
Yo, son.
What's up?
Yo, that night we.
Remember that night at the strip club? And we was like, that nigga sells cocaine. You sell cocaine.
About to say, yo, fam, you got to work on the block, nigga. You look like you got to work on the block. He's like, yo, I don't even know y'all.
Shout out to those dancers that was like, you can't smoke in here, but we took you somewhere. We was like, yeah. And in the back of my head, I was like, yeah, we about to get kidnapped. Yeah. Joke's on them. We broke, baby. Yeah.
Stupid. Motherfuckers about to get one North Face bubble jacket between the two of us.
Exactly. I've been like, yo, you took my phone and my money. Like, can we get like a ride back to our hotel? Like, I mean, come on.
We was gonna call an Uber. Like, you know, this car. This kid's guy rock the car. Rock out. I'm gonna give you 12 hours to rock out with the car.
What are we even talking about? We'll get the Uber. Remember the Ilmore at Austin? Remember could not. Remember, and you and I, we literally opened Google Maps and said, how long is it going to take to walk 10 miles? We literally said that. We were smacked out of our minds in the middle of Texas, outside of Austin, Texas, and we were going to walk back down to downtown Texas. A Dominican and a Jamaican walking on the side of the road where we do not know. Unarmed in Texas. That ends super well. Yes.
Yeah. Uh-huh. That's the Jordan Peele movie, my nigga.
If that happened every now and then, right now, someone on Twitter would be like, remember Desus and Mero? They never solved that crime. And like, be like a fucking viral tweet. Like, yo.
Nigga, we be on fucking, what is that, True TV? When the cold case files? Whatever the fuck that shit's called? They found their bodies in garbage bags on the side of I-68. Tragic.
The last person they were seen talking to was Hannibal Buress. We're like, oh shit. He's like, everyone's like, yeah, they were talking. They were talking all night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they do like the little fake witness interviews and shit. Like, they were talking, they were laughing, and then like all of a sudden he just got really upset and like walked away. I never heard, and then I never saw him again.
When Hannibal saw Drake was not performing that night,
his disposition took a wild turn. Dun, dun.
He became enraged.
Hannibal murdered us.
They always say that shit. He became enraged.
Dun, dun. And then they do the zoom in and focus on their eyes, like do. Yo, shout to Hannibal.
Yo, shout out to the Hannibal.
Good
homie.
times.
Yo, dog, those shows
man.
are so ill, B. Like, and it's gross because it's like, yo, dog, like, why am I sitting here watching a 2-hour shit about a murderer, a serial murderer? Like, what? Why is this so interesting?
It bees like that, bro.
Yo,
I got caught the other day. I was watching a Lifetime murder movie. Because there's 2 Lifetimes right now. There's Lifetime that's like, oh my God, this guy comes, he sweeps me off my feet. Oh my God, like I took a gamble, I gave up on work, and now I'm living happily ever after. Like, oh, my boyfriend from when I was in high school comes back and rescues me.
Oh, wow.
You know what? Guess what? He thinks he's in love with her, but I'm just a plain girl. When I take off my glasses, he sees the real me, and I read books and she doesn't. So guess what? Get her out of here, because I'm the true beauty. That's one Lifetime channel. The second Lifetime channel is, listen, women, every man is going to kill you. That's every movie.
Watch
That's
out.
all it is. If you know a guy, he's gonna murder you. Your husband's gonna murder you. All the Lifetime murders, they're like, yo, this cheerleader was murdered. The next one is, who killed these cheerleaders? The next one is like, Santa's coming with a knife. And you're like, what the fuck? Like, why would Santa kill me?
Why?
Like,
why is he trying to kill me? And why is Santa Cuba getting Jr.?
Yeah. Ho, ho, ho. They're like, what? What is this? Doesn't make any sense.
The fuck?
Why is Santa...
Why is he with snow dogs?
And then it's like, it's updated, so instead of being like modern, instead of being like traditional, like Santa works at like a fucking graphic design firm. He has the wall Bluetooth and shit.
He's like, hey guys.
Instead of being evil, he's like, yeah, let's turn that, you know what? Let's turn that fucking orphanage into a Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah. And she's like, I have to stop him. I have to stop him. That's not what Christmas is about. He's like, you know what? She's right. I'm going to murder her. He's like, no, that's it.
Lifetime is getting to the level of like, I want to say, is it Hallmark? No, Sci-Fi. Because you know how Sci-Fi, like, they were just like, yo, fuck it, we're just going to double down and make Sharknado. Like, we're making, like, straight basura anyway. So now, like, I know you've seen it, the fucking trailer for the fucking Colonel Sanders.
Yeah, the KFC shit. Which, I know they got a good check for that. It's only 15 minutes, which, as a true Lifetime connoisseur of fine cinema, it should be 2 hours. It should be 2 hours of just bland recording. And as someone who's on TV, now I can't watch TV without noticing, oh, wow, it's weird. This is a whole town of people, and not one person's shirt has a logo. Interesting.
Wow.
That's funny how they don't have any clearance issues on that. Interesting. Wow. No one in the scenes in the back has said anything, so therefore they don't have to get paid scale. Interesting.
Wow.
Little
There's
things like that.
There's a lot of gaff tape on that guy's hat.
Wow. Am I bugging, or are all 4 scenes in this movie taking place in the same room? Interesting.
They just moved that table over.
Wow. That cup just happens to be black and the logo on that car. Wow. No things like that. You know, the vibes.
Yo,
It ruined it.
I'm like, how fucking much does it cost for this shit? Because I'm like, yo, motherfuckers will go to the end of the earth.
They make them super cheap, but the return on investment is stupid because I'm talking about the Hallmark channel now. Because Hallmark was like, yo, we can bang out a movie for under $1 million easily, but the amount of views they get from it, and they do like 30 Christmas movies a year.
Oh yeah.
Which is just like, you're like, who? They're like, yo, they're like, motherfucker, we run Christmas, nigga.
We got a monopoly on this bitch.
They was like, yo, don't you ever in your fucking life try to make a Christmas movie, nigga. Hallmark fucking gang, we run this shit, nigga. I want my fucking corners back. And then Netflix came through and was like, yo, Netflix is a stupid. He's the younger brother of like a hood dude, and he don't really know the rules and shit. So now he just came on the block with like 5 nickel bags.
Yep.
And Hallmark was like, yo, is this nigga? Wow. You can't even like smack him. You just gotta tell people like, yo, this ain't your lane, young Mary. Yo, young Thug, young Sprouter, young Bull, this ain't your lane. Okay?
Yo,
I'm gonna tell your OG to talk to you, and he gonna tell you what's wrong with this. And maybe the OG smacks you in the face. But because you violated.
That one hard smack, like, yo, take them bags back to your crib, stupid.
What's wrong? Don't ever do that shit again. Don't ever do that shit again.
Yo, you embarrassing me.
Exactly.
You
hold what's out of your face. You're like, oh, I correction is a punishment.
No, you right. No, you right. You got it, OG. You got it,
OG.
That's my fault.
He might. Matter of fact, the OG might even take the 5 bags away from you. He gonna take the 5 bags away from you.
He's like, just for this, my nigga, you gonna watch me smoke every one of these bags, even though they straight haraka, B.
These shits is taxed.
You know what I'm saying?
And then
Hold up.
Hallmark see the OG and was like, yo, good looking. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that. We got to teach these young bulls the right thing because I don't, it could have ended a different way. It could have ended a different way. And I don't want to go down that lane. That's the lane I used to go down. You know what I'm saying?
We got to hold each other down nowadays.
I don't want the old me to come back. You remember me in 95? You remember me in 95?
Oh, right? Shit, nigga, do I?
Shit.
What?
Okay, I remember you in 95.
I do. A lot of motherfuckers don't. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Hey, that's because they 6 feet deep.
A lot of people don't remember, when that Lloyd Banks victory freestyle comes on,
What?
Shit get different.
You know what I mean? Motherfucker get PTSD behind that motherfucker.
All right. Okay, let me tell you, I run these fucking streets. Anyway, let me get in here. My girl driving me to my prostate cancer screening tomorrow, and I'm a little worried.
Yo, appreciate you. Yo, take it easy, brother. Yeah, I got my colonoscopy next week, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, stay up, black man. You stay up.
Stay strong.
Okay, bro. All right. No, but check on your health. Check on your colons. You know the vibes.
Yeah.
Let's see. Did we talk about?
Yo, that's got to be like an ad. I'm like, yo, this is so ridiculous. I'm like, yo, because I've never seen them do something so. I mean, like, they're all ridiculous. Like you said, like once you start making shit, you realize, like, damn, that's fucking ridiculous. That's that would never happen. Like, that's a gigantic plot hole. Like, you know what I'm saying?
No,
like, shit
listen.
like that.
But people watch it. They're just like, yo, fam, it's not that. I just want to be entertained. It's people like the outside people who watch films. Like, I enjoy A24 films. Oh, this is a plot. It's like, no, nigga. Like,
yeah, a lot of niggas just want a Whopper and fries.
Exactly.
Like, yo, let me get a Whopper Junior and fries. I'm good. I'm in the whip. I'm moving.
Everyone's like, oh my God, I need to eat food. I need to, oh my God, I need to eat the good food. I need to go to French Laundry. I need to go to Percé. It's like, nah, nigga, we're going to Crown Fried Chicken. We get it at a dinner box.
That's it. We got to
hit the same way.
It's Joe. You know what I mean? You're going to be on a toilet in like 20 minutes, but listen, the shit, when it's going down delicious.
How's it going down? You know the fucking vibes. But anyway, anything. Happy Hanukkah to all my Hanukins.
You know what I'm saying?
Hanukins. All my Hanukins.
Yeah.
All my, we love you, Miss Hannikin from Annie.
Yeah.
You guys don't remember that? It's a deep reference. You know the fucking vibes. Episode 229. Shout out to East 229th Street. Not to be confused. Wait. Oh, yes. It was 229th. No, it wasn't 229th Street. We didn't have beef with them. They were cool. All right. So shout out to, it was 219th. Yeah, there you go. You know the fucking vibes. You know the fucking vibes. I need to get that goal, but niggas.
Man, people are like, yo, y'all Bronx references are mad hyper specific. I was just like, yeah, we grew up in the Bronx.
Yeah, everyone's like, you had beef for all of 219th? It was like, no, it was one block, but it was actually like 3 houses. Block. But that's how we talk.
It was actually it was 6 dudes.
My favorite part of that beef was we pulled up on the dudes on 234th, and we was like, yo, what's up with your man? And with the Jamaican guys, it was like, yo, my man, that's their beef. Like, we just hung out with them. Like, why you, like, what is this, World War II? Everyone was like, you guys are overreacting. We went to war. I remember my man, shout out to my man, Redacted, I'm not going to say his name, and he was going through it because his sister called me and was like, he's giving away all his stuff because he's ready to go to jail. And I was like, oh, shit, this shit escalated very fast. I was like, yo, hit me back. We got to talk. Like,
yo, people don't understand. Like, block beef in the Bronx turns from, like talking spicy on, like, the internet or, like, in front of the store into, like, yo, fam, I'm gonna spin the block. We gotta shoot this nigga. Like,
the worst part is
10 hours.
The worst part is, and this is absolutely irresponsible for me to say, that shit is so much fun, and exciting.
It's exhilarating, fam. I don't make a lie. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh my God, when you got, oh my God,
yeah.
once you live through it, to look back, you'll be like, that was fun. When you're going through it, it's terrifying. It's very stressful. Every day you feel like you're gonna die. But once you
looking back on it, you're like,
looking back,
it's like a highlight.
But at one point, there was a barbecue, and Shorty's coming into the barbecue had to step past us. We were just sitting on the steps with guns out. And you know what that does to girls in the Bronx? They was like, yo, so who's the older guy? Like, he's OD cute. The guy with the silver gun. I'm like, what's up, Mom? I was like, she don't even know. I only got 2 bullets. So
yo, and that's why I was like, yo, I said that shit on fucking Twitter. I was just like, bro, I wish I had a camera. And part of me wishes I did, and part of me wishes I didn't, because I'm just like, bro, some of these stories are so wild that it's just like, yo, fam, you need like a 5-second video to encapsulate this whole evening. You know what I'm saying? But then the other part, like, because it hit me because I found an old picture of my man, shot the Ace, rolling an L in the old Acura, while my man Over was stashing something. I can't even remember what it was, but we were literally, like, I took that flick. I just had like 2 shots left on the fun saver, and I was just like, click, click, like, just wasty so I could develop the film. And then fucking, that was literally like niggas were on their way to go to a beef. Like, yo, we're gonna get in the car, we're gonna drive to this dude's block, and we're gonna fight. And that whole shit ended with over jumping in the back of some dude's car while the shit was like moving, like straight like mayhem. I'm like, fam, if I would have added like a 30-second video of that, I'd watch it every night, like fucking like the Kobe 81 point game.
This nigga would have posted it like DJ Academic. No.
Nah, hell no. Imagine on some DJ Flash shit. Like, so Desus, you lived on 233rd, right? You grew up. That's where you grew up.
You know what?
Yeah.
DJ Vat, I ain't talking shit. I ain't saying shit to you. But you know the fucking vibes. Episode 229. Another one in the building. You know, the guy, you know, casually talking to, that's, you know, two guys from Chicago. We know G Herbo and Obama. They're right here. They're balanced.
That's
exactly
right.
balanced.
Pow.
You know what I'm saying? Wow. It's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pockets Stay Fat like Terrio, aka Pockets Stay Fat like here we go.
Here we go.
We say that because one day we're gonna host the Shriners Convention, so we gotta keep.
That's right.
You know the vibe.
Can't wait.
So, I
got my hat ready.
Exactly. We're gonna ride around in little cars instead of fucking Days in Toronto. It's gonna be great. Slowing down might know your bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be weird because like we're gonna have little Shriner hats, and Victor's gonna be like, it doesn't work. It does not work.
Guys,
like,
it keeps
it
keeps falling off. You're driving this little car, this tiny car, way too fast. You're driving this tiny car way too fast. You gotta stop.
Also, Victor, I'm saying this now. If at any point me and Mero are trying to do something with the Shriners, please stop us because you do not want a picture of me and him with those little hats driving around in the car.
In a little baby car? In a Power Wheels?
I call you.
I
call Victor in a wild panic like, Victor, shit. Oh, shit. Victor, all right.
Man.
Shit.
All right.
We've had a vehicular homicide. Yeah, it was inside the hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was in the hallway. Yeah, the Mero got the car.
How did we get the car in there? I don't know. That's the wild part.
Because they were driving the little cars, and we came in with the Escalade because we wanted to flex. And it's this old lady came out of nowhere. So like, Mero got the bone saw, and like we already started. But I just want to know like, can Showtime send some acid over here, or like, can we just, you know? Like,
I saw they make cocaine with sulfuric acid.
Crown Prince. Yo, fam. Maybe it's just because like it's the one of the many things I always wanted as a kid, but I never got. But those little cars always look fun as shit to me.
The little, Power Wheels.
I don't know that I would necessarily stop you.
You know what?
The whole motivation is to get into the little car.
The problem is now that he said that, I'm gonna try to get one for him, but I'm gonna get like a Japanese one that goes up to 193 miles per hour. He's gonna be burning up the BQE. They're gonna be like, it's gonna be great. I gotcha.
Man, I couldn't wear the hat though. I would look like, do you remember what was his name? Was it Secret Squirrel? And
yes, that was just floating on top of his
little hat. Yeah, that's what I would look like if I tried this shit in that little car too.
Yo, Slowman, I might know your bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Jesus H. Fuego. Mr. Nando's with a Rondo, 1994 in Nueva York. Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC Liquid Jungle P. Pulling up for 40 with your shorty. And I'm shooting like OB topping because it goes in. Swoosh. AK, don't talk to me in the Uber pool because I don't know you. And guess what? If you think we're in the Uber pool, you might be smacked off some edibles and you're walking around with that. Hasn't been in the Uber pool since March. So what's going on? You're actually still in your living room. This is scary. You should be afraid. What's going on? Wow.
What does your life mean?
Wow. What have you done to earn your place on the earth?
I don't know. Nothing?
You don't belong here. You are wasting car. Oh shit, this is my stop. Right here. Pull up, driver. Right here. Right? Yeah, thank you. Gotta go. Bye.
Bye.
Our new feature, Uber Demon. Ride with a demon. Available now. Check your phone.
Always on demon time.
One. Exactly. Niggas just driving with Tory Lanez. Oh shit. Oh wow.
Oh wow.
The original one plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss. Indeed, Frosty.
No.
The Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Car, the Ghost to Mufasa, Young Charcoonery without the coonery. AK Tillamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Get okay. Two phone Jones, Caesar the Jake Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. Everyone in the back was here one last time. Dilute. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because like my Pinot blurry, and even though it's blurry, I downloaded it, and it's wild because it was like the scene was an hour long, and the download was only 200 megs. So how much compression are you doing on that AVI file? But you know what? That's a whole nother post for a whole nother day. I'll take that to Reddit.
Hey, it's DJ Woolite, aka in the Wash FM. Up next, we've got hip hop. We're digging deep from it's one of our favorite femcs from Oakland. Give it up for Yo-Yo.
Oh shit.
Give it up for Yolanda Whittaker, Grammy-nominated American hardcore rapper and actor. Woo! Shout out to Yo-Yo. Everyone liked her because she's light-skinned and she had light eyes. But also, she was a great actor. She was on, I think she was on Eve and a couple other shows like that. Yep. And she had the IBWC, which stands for the International, International Intelligent Black Women's Coalition. And she was always on the tracks with Ice Cube. We never got the Ice Cube Yo-Yo
double album.
We wanted. And shout out to everyone like, yo, Jesus is hitting real hip hop right now because we really wanted that, bro. So, I mean, it's not,
we needed that.
I was about to say it's not too late to do that, but Ice Cube's kind of doing some other stuff right now. So
he's
the Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Hasper, the Bronx and Dion, the Ray nephew's nephew, Moreno. You cannot contain. Don't try to contain me, bro. That's not right.
No.
The Human Mermaid, what's a job? Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henry Budcoast, Nelson Bankdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the Human Werther, melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squavi. Guess what? If we throw a sex party, you're going to be able to put Werthers in someone's butt. Listen, he, she, them, you decide. Up to them. All right? It's all consensual, baby. Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabi, Greg Popovich. Wow, I just freaked out and was like, did I press record on this thing? I did. Okay. More Station Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. The juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada. Ganoush. No more cup of news. The Prince of Peckham, excuse me. Fashion over Casanova. William A. Cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1.
Whoa! What do you need?
Big vaccine wine.
Cool.
Vaccine.
Vaccine.
Give me vaccine.
Big antibody ting.
They're going to play that at mad Jamaican and West Indian barbecues and no one's going to be vaccinated. I'll be like, what are you... it's just a good tune. I'm like, damn it. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sacker, catch me in the script one top left because man's just Marv. Children do the holy cow. Mr. Soft so I'll do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny D. Bobby Digital. David Gurman, these are Spencer, these are red bottoms, these are bloody shoes. Mokeem, Noah, Andrew Cunanan, AK Junior, and you got Junior, come sit down upon me. Charger. Take it off the plate, cause I'm hardwired, man. Call me Petco, got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip and Sayas. Shout out to the 11791. AK Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden tick because it'll scratch you. And also, if you're pregnant, do not change kitty litter because you can get a bacteria that will make you miscarry the baby. Okay. It's your man Dead Eye Jesus. Morning, Sheriff. I don't like shoplifting anymore, so I think I'm become a bad bitch and steal souls. Okay, I got nothing.
I respect that.
I seen Funkmaster Flex get the BBL, so I said, you know what?
You got to do it. I mean, sometimes you got to do it.
You know what I'm saying? I'm heavy in these streets. Mr. Chopping in the street easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic craft medic. You got to do that like Michael Jackson. The black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic craft medic. Wow, it sounded like he was just straining on a toilet and it was like really pointy. Like, yeah. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina, Freshman Marina, Cold Demeanor, the cheek mask killer. No one could be iller. The Black Zach Morris, Support Morris, Young KPI, your man Personal DJ, Pelly, a Peloton, JPI Queso, Inspector Terror. Do you see Apple came out with like some workout shit that they said is probably going to end Peloton?
Oh, wow.
Had a good run.
Had a good run, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm still out here doing scenic rides. You know what I'm saying? We're out here.
Peloton, if you want us to rise up like Trump supporters and start beating people up in the streets wearing red and black, let us know. Right. We will do it. Saying? Call us up.
Peloton Boys.
223. Peloton Boys. Yeah, bro. Wow, bro. We are now recruiting for our new anti-Antifa group, Peloton Boys. Proud Boys, if you'd like to link up, we're ready for rides and scenic. That's our thing. We're like, yeah, we're going to take them on a scenic ride, bro. Like,
yeah, bro. We're going to take a scenic ride, bro, over like a Black Lives Matter.
So we have to have I'm going to have this really expensive bike to get these references. Like, yeah, bro, it's worth it. Also, instead of bringing high-powered guns to rallies, we're going to bring the actual Peloton bike. I have no idea how exactly we're carrying it, but you're gonna see me and Mero.
I got the 2 wheels in the front.
Me and Mero, you're gonna see us strapped with the Peloton to our chest like AR-15s. Like, yeah, what's up, bro?
Yo, what's good?
What's up, bro?
Yo,
what's up?
This shit is giving me mild scoliosis, but fuck
What's up, bro? Basically, the Peloton sign is just a white power sign upside down. So, we could, you know what?
We can make it happen.
Peloton's about to be. I'm trying to log in and be like, no, you've done enough. You've done enough. Go use the app.
That's it.
I'm like, oh. Yo, it's your boy, JPI Queso, aka Inspector Terror, aka Problematic Bay. Listen, it's not a secret family if you don't discuss them with Obama. Get that flex.
Ooh,
Up next,
wow.
it's your boy, the Kid Mero. We gotta do it Red Alert style.
Yeah.
Hey, Daddy, do those AKAs.
Yo, it's the KIT, the MEROE. The Kid Mero. It don't rhyme, sorry, y'all. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, you know what I'm saying? AKA the human durag, AKA Donovan McDab, you know what I'm saying? AKA Curve Gotti, you know what I'm saying? Do not venture into my DMs, I will embarrass you. You know what I'm saying? AKA Triz Khalifa, you know what I'm saying? Skirt loaded, jump the curb. I was gonna hit your dog, but I swerved to avoid him because I saw that he was wearing PPE and I respect that, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you. You know what I'm saying? Responsible dog owners. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all. AKA I don't fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA no need to check the guest list. You know what I'm saying? Because there's no fucking parties, dog. There's no parties, fam.
No parties.
That's it. No. I'm not going to underground. No. That sounds weird. I don't like. We did underground in the 90s. We were all wearing olive green, listening to Raucous. That's the last underground I'm doing. I'm not doing no more underground. That's it. Stop. You know what I'm saying? Fuck. AKA CC Dad Bath here, you know what I'm saying? In the basement here, the Puffco Peak doing concentrated hits of THC, you know what I'm saying? Tell them another plan.
Yeah, bro. Get it, bro. Get it.
Yo.
I can't feel my lungs, bro.
Yo. Fam. Did you ever think about, like, in the wintertime when, like, squirrels put nuts in the ground, like, how do they even remember where they are?
Bro,
They don't put a sign up or nothing, B.
Bro.
Do they put a note on their iPhone?
Bro, they got RFIDs on the nuts, bro. They got RFID
shit.
trackers, bro. I read about it on Reddit, bro. It's like the Illuminati and George Soros and Bill Gates, bro. It goes
that's
all the way,
wild.
bro. It goes all the way to Roseanne Barr. Like, I don't even want to get into it. But think about it.
Dead ass?
Think about it.
Yo,
Like,
that's
think about it. When you were a kid, there was like sometimes I feel like a nut, sometimes I don't.
Yo,
don't. That's
because
when the RFID don't work, that's when you don't feel like a nut.
yo,
Think about
shit. Oh,
Think about this. Think about this. Blue balls, blue states. I said too much.
Yo, stop talking. They're gonna come get you, bro.
Bro, listen.
Chill.
Let me ask you something like this right now. Let me ask you something. They call it my pillow, but like, that's the pillow for me. What about the pillow for you? And oh shit.
Where's your pillow? Yo, FBI, get down! Hey, Tiger backwoods, motherfucker. Smoke a 3 gram blunt to hit you with this 9 iron. Pa-pow! You know what I'm saying? AKA getting to this shmoney and this smoke. It's your boy, Goldman Schmeck. You know what I'm saying? I need a Fed bailout ASAP. You know what I'm saying? AKA Mash Montana. You can put me on retainer for $10,000. They can get you off anything you want. Also, I went from roaches in my cereal box to deers in my backyard. My brother's an orthodontist. He lives in Alpine. I did pretty well for myself. It's a good thing.
Love it.
AKA, you know what I'm saying? Got my kids doing, you know what I'm saying, post-move drills and defensive drills with Obi Toppin to make sure he's tip-top shape. You know what I'm saying? Playing hardcore defense. You know what I'm saying? Julius Randle played 51 minutes in an NBA game. How is that possible? The regulation is 48 minutes. How did you play 51 minutes? How? That man will not have knees by December. Guaranteed. Book it. You know what I'm saying? God
Grind
damn.
him down, bro. Grind him down. If he dies, he dies.
If that's Tom Thibodeau is Vlad from fucking Rocky, or whatever. Fuck, Ivan Drago from Rocky. I said Vlad because I got them snitching on my mind. God damn it. AKA Ben Smack Biombo, AKA Diego Maradona. Rest in peace to the cocaine god. You know what I'm saying? AKA Dick in your baby Tumbo. You know what I'm saying? You don't come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me.
Oh.
No. I cannot say this. This pussy belongs to you, my queen. And it will continue to belong to you until you grant me access consensually via a relationship that grows. We become first as friends and then as lovers. Thank you, my queen.
That's so sweet.
I respect you. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zipper. Matter of fact, I don't even drive. I just give the keys to Jesus, and he's like, wow, these brakes are so good.
You love it, bro.
Hey, listen. AKA the Dominican Don Dada, you know what I'm saying? The Dykeman Daddy, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna see me out there, though, because motherfuckers out there smoking hookah with no mouthpiece and no mask. So I'll see you on the flip side, you know what I'm saying? AKA, I'm gonna swipe my card again. I don't want to be here right now, but I just got this iPhone and I need to switch it over. So, can you be like, you know, like my card is good. Like I'm on TV. Like you came in here last time, you asked for selfies, so please, don't make me call your manager because your manager is gonna come out here and embarrass you in front of this line of people that's waiting. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want that. You know what I mean? They all got masks on. They're very ornery. All right. So just put the fuck iPhone in the bag and keep it moving, please. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Apple. You know what I'm saying? Brand partnerships. That's what we trying to do. Okay, the squad. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mami. So Danny. Let me black out. Yo, we in a pandemic? But fuck it, nigga. I'm in a pandemic. So I'm doing shows at United Palace every day, yo. Bring all your titis, yo. We not wearing no mask. Fuck that. I'm gonna eat ass raw dog on stage, yo. I got a special ass eating mask with a tongue with a hole for your lengua. So nasty. AKA Tom Brady, you know what I'm saying? Your girl's got on balls deflated more than Bobby Crafts, you know what I'm saying? It's Belichick versus Brady. Who's gonna win? We don't know, you know what I'm saying? But fuck it, you know what I'm saying? We about to find out. The Table Shot Boy saga continues. AKA Lighten up, Dutchie. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you've been coronafied, so I cannot share this blunt with you. Oh, shit. Oh, I was about to hit a vocal run. I was feeling myself, you know what I'm saying? AKA, feel the ass Tyson almost swell your cosmos, ma. Consensually, of course. You know what I'm saying? It's because we the consent boys. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do. All day. You know what I'm saying? Lil Snoozy Vert, first nigga to tap out our live, you know what I'm saying? Been social distancing before Rona, you know what I mean? AKA Friday El Messi MVP of Gelato, you know what I'm saying? AKA Zeniel Badenfield, I ain't gotta get some sticks. I ain't gotta get some sticks. Whoa. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah, I dare you.
To what?
To smoke with me.
What is the location of the smoking?
At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? If Cuomo lets us, I don't know if he's going to, though, you know what I'm saying? Because y'all motherfuckers out here acting reckless.
No smoking. Shut it down. Shut it down.
Wow. What a herb. AKA, Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. Have you ever repaired a newborn child's entire vascular system using only ended Zoom meetings? No, you have not. Only I can do things like this. That's why I'm the most vaunted neurosurgeon on the planet. I not only repair neuros, I repair vascular systems as well. I'm a goddamn cardiologist on the side. It's just my side hustle.
That nigga almost died from COVID.
You know, but that's neither here nor there. Can't he get the strap? Silence this fool. This jive turkey. You know what I'm saying? Pow-pow! You know what I'm saying? AKA, I'll be a menace to cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. You know what I'm saying? I don't remember what happened yesterday. You know what I'm saying? AKA Rico Saroso. AKA Baby New 225. Niggas got garbage on the way. You know what I'm saying? AKA Nino Brown shut the Carter down. Just for an hour, though, for sanitization purposes. You know what I'm saying? We'll be back reopened shortly, serving the finest dog food in the land. You know what I'm saying? AKA live harassing patrons eating anywhere, even in their own homes. It's the East Tremont CDB doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your DD is fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me lead. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not trying to fall into the train tracks because the fares went up. Nobody's gonna save me. You know what I'm saying? AKA back at it. He's back on the Blazers, y'all, because he blazes that piffery. It's Barbelos Anthony. 3. Bang! Wow, you love to see it. He's averaging 25 a game. God damn it. He's back, baby. AKA, I met my friend says I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? I might say some racist things once in a while, but I'm never gonna fail. You dig? You know what I'm saying? Hey. If you see me at Target, dog, standing on the little sticker, and I'm higher than Obi Toppin's vertical, approach me like a motherfucking earthside mammal dog, because I might react radically if I'm a wild cubs, and you might not like that. You know what I'm saying? God damn it.
He's stopping, bro.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? AKA, just call me Tom Petty and the Bob Breakers, because every time I'm on a Zoom, I'm not wearing pants, which means I'm free falling. I'm just letting them hang. You know what I'm saying? Acoustic version available now on Spotify. You know what I'm saying? AKA, whoa, kids. Outdoor parties are still cool, right? It's getting a little chilly out, but we can do like a snowman building contest. It's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. We can do Zooms, we can do live in person, whatever you want. We can even do an underground party. But I need the money up front. And while I count it, my friend Mr. Fun here is gonna entertain the crowd. Make sure it's all here.
I just wanted to say, like, I want to go on record and say, fuck Cuomo. Like, we need to reopen up the restaurants and the gyms and, like, the schools, and especially, like, homeschools, because, like, I homeschool a couple of kids on my block, and their parents don't know. And I just wanted to know if, like, it was still cool for them to come over, like, late at night. Like, I'll leave the back door open, and I'll teach you stuff about geography, but, like...
Mr. Funfun, no, we can't...
I have a charter school.
No, that's not a charter. That's not a charter. Put your charter away. Put your charter. Mr.
Bro, Jeffrey Toobin is my principal in my charter.
No. Okay, we gotta go. Get back in the Sienna. Let's go. AKA, I sold fake links to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. That motherfucker is high off old honest tea from Crafty and bong water and a bottle of piss. You know what I'm saying? So when that album drops, man, you're going to see the results. You know what I'm saying? Of what happens. You know what I'm saying? When you do that. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my God. And now it is time for you to turn on your SAP, because Safe Cinema presents the Kid Mero's AKAs in Spanish. Here we fucking go. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que llegó el hijo Titi FIFA, coño, más loco, estoy más duro, bajando con la lámpara prendida, coño. El papi de la ley, tú sabes que lo que es. No me des cotorre, que el palo que tiene Tito, coño, te tumba el coco. Váyase de aquí conmigo, tú no vas a sonar. Yo, déjame decirte algo, loco. Nosotros estamos... tú estás divariando y nosotros estamos comiéndonos todo lo que nos pone por delante, coño. Estamos acabando con medio mundo, coño, coñazo. No me jodas. No, y si tú quieres ir de vacaciones, no vayas para el patio, coño, mamahuevazo, coño, déjanos en paz. Que ya nosotros tenemos Zika, dengue, de toda la vaina, coño, no venga con fucking coronavirus, coño, que ya Frank te lo dijo, coño, suelta. Danos banda, coño. You know what I'm saying? Pero ya, déjame soltarle un ching, porque estamos burlados. Cuando tú me ves en el 2020, en un Guinea, you know what I'm saying? Con 20,000 millas. ¿Tú sabes lo que es? La pámpara está prendida, coño. Estamos activados. You know what I'm saying? Episode 229. Shout out la casa Showtime. Shout out Cash Shop. You know what I'm saying? Shout out la familia. Shout out Hasan y Seña que ponen la fucking nota. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Desus. Bueno. You know what I'm saying? La nota jamaiquina number 1. You know what I'm saying? AKA, pero eso no es un AKA, es un shout out. Shout out Víctor Marte, el papi de la Lady 24 de Quilate. Wow. Wow. ¿Qué es lo que? Ese pone aguacate en el pelo, ¿eh? ¿Es aguacate? ¿O es huevo? ¿O es coco? Yo no sé. Pero esa melena está mortal. Oh my God. You know what I'm saying? Shout out a la nena de la bodega. Dai, coño, a la planta la más insuperable, coño, a la que tumba 2 buildings, coño, si tú te lo pones, coño. Si tú se pone, está puesto para la de ella. You know what I'm saying? Shout out mi presidente Pío. Avísame que suelto cañón, coño, que estoy activo. You know what I'm saying? Avísame. Llegó mi hermanito Friki, 12 años, por no ser boca floja, coño, haciendo push-up en Trima Avenue sin camisa, coño, en invierno, porque ese tigre es un animal, coño, una bestia. You know what I'm saying? Queda en casa en paz mi hermanito Sexor y mi hermano Chadwick. You know what I'm saying? Quédate en la casa, lávate tu fucking mano, que los números están subiendo, estúpido. Episodio 229, coño. Te dejé con la pauta ahí para que piense un ching. Refleja, coño. Refleja. Hijo tu maldita madre.
All right,
that was
episode 229. Shout out to Cash App. Shout out to Showtime. Shout out to Zon. Yeah, we be back. You know the fucking vibes.
Yeah.
Be safe, yo. We out.
Out.